What I'm thinking is X-rated. How does this challenge go again?
You make the face, I make the sound.
So I come up with it first?
Yeah, so you come up with the face.
Okay. Well, I ain't supposed to make a noise.
I know, so I did the same thing. Think of anything.
It's harder than it looks. You got that in your throat! I don't know.
You started, I was like, oh, he got it. And then you can't handle the truth.
Oh.
I need my own monkey.
What? That's what you got? Yo. I said, hey there, my little pretty. I don't know. What? do it again. Make believe I'm real.